If your skin feels dry even after moisturizer, it might not be hydration you're missing. It's the way to lock it in. Today we're making a brightening face oil from the June Natural Beauty recipe box. This is one of those simple steps that can completely change how your skin looks and feels. It helps seal in moisture so your skin looks more plump and radiant without feeling heavy. We're starting with castor oil. This is what creates that moisture seal. It helps protect your skin and keep hydration in. Almond oil keeps it lightweight and helps it absorb better. Lang Lang helps balance your skin and gives a soft floral scent. And cedarwood helps balance your skin and gives a grounding finish. This is probably one of the easiest recipes to make. Just pour your carrier oils directly into your bottle. 2 teaspoons of castor oil. 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of almond oil. Add your essential oils, 2 drops cedarwood atlas. Then secure the top and roll it between your hands. That's it. I am using a 1 ounce amber serum bottle from Simply Earth. You can find this at simplyearth.com. Just a few drops on damp skin after cleansing. It helps everything absorb better and gives you that dewy finish. Your skin just looks more even, more hydrated, and healthier. You can also mix a drop into your moisturizer if you want something lighter. I like how this keeps skincare simple. You get the key ingredients and recipes sent to you so you can just make it without overthinking it. If you make this, I'd love to see it. Share it using #IMadeThis to be entered into a $100 gift card drawing. It's a small step that really makes your skin look better. See you in the next video.